Hi everyone, it's Bob from Grey Bear Models and welcome back to the channel. And here we are, the final part of this year's 2026 Aurora Group build, the Avro CF-100. Been an interesting build, and yeah, certainly the kit shows its age. There's lots of misalignments and stuff, and also obviously the decals. The boxing that I've got, I'm pretty sure, is one of the original sort of 1960s boxings because the decals were shot. But we managed to rescue them, and I'll just show you what I did. So let's get over to the bench and we'll have a look. So the decals on this kit were really quite poor, mainly because of their age. So I've got some of the micro scale liquid decal film. This is good for restoring old decals. So basically paint it up on the whole sheet and then cut out your decal. I did a test with this one first, just so that I could, you know, see if it would lift. Unfortunately, it lost the whiteness of that. It's faded with time. I put the decals in the sun, but it just, I think it's just too far gone. So anyway, that was the test, and then using the rest of the decals, or most of them, we've now got, using the old decals, we got the roundels are in place, the 3-color bar and the fuselage numbers are all in place, so that's all pretty cool. Quite happy with that. Got to put decals on the underside, the roundels on the underside, and there's a cockpit logo here which I've got to put on. Once that's on, and then I think give it a coat of varnish just to seal everything, and it should be done. So I'll come back to you in a moment. So the instructions go into my folder, my lever arch file here. It's getting full. This contains the instructions of kits as I've built them. So there's all sorts of things in here, going back years. And this is just one of the folders. Anyway, enough of that. Let's get on to the finished model. And so we've got all the decals on from the kit as well. So I'm quite pleased with that. We managed to rescue the decals and get it onto its stand. I think it's pretty cool. And there you go, another Aurora kit built. I'll put some stills on after this as well. So yeah, a bit of a tricky build, but all in all, yeah, good bit of fun. Anyway, I hope you all have fun with your Aurora Group builds, and I look forward to seeing what everybody's built. Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye for now.